Hello, welcome back to another video. This time, let's um, talk about electroplating. Now, this might is probably a new word for you, and you probably might not have heard about it. So, what is electroplating? Well, as a brief note, electroplating is the process of plating, if coating a layer of metal on another piece of metal using electricity. Now that sounds cool, right? But do you know how it's done? Well, let's take a closer look at that, shall we? So, here I have a tank filled with a liquid that's conductive. Okay. So here I've drawn two bars of metal which are dipped into this and has electricity channeling through it through these um, power boxes. Okay. Through the power sources. So the electricity will pass through them because they're made of metal and will get in the conductive liquid. And because you might know that electricity can go through conductive materials, which is why they are called conductive, it can pass through the liquid. Electricity can. So now comes a bit. Now what happens next is that um, metal from one end of the from one of the bars will dissipate into the liquid, as in like it'll like sort of dissolve, not really, and then it will travel to the other bar and will get attracted there because of the different charges. So one will have positive and the other will have negative. The positive the bar of the positive charge is called an anode, while the one with the negative charge is called a cathode. So, negative is attracted to positive and positive is attracted to negative. So the metal gets transferred to each and will get deposited on it as a layer. Now, people use this method as a way for many things, such as, for example, they'll coat. For example, in a car is coated with a specific metal called chromium. Chromium. This metal is very special because it is non-corrosive, as in like it doesn't like rust easily, and it doesn't scratch easily, and it's good to look at. It's shiny, but it's a little rare. It's not as common as iron. So so they'll just coat it with a layer of chromium, which is good enough as if the whole thing is made of it. So, for example, let's say this the cathode will be made of chromium and the other one is a car part made of iron or other metals. So the chromium will get deposited on it through the conductive liquid and it'll stick to it. So that way it will create a layer. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm saying. So now, so yeah, so well, yeah. So we've seen how electroplating works. Now this method is used for many other reasons, which include like making other electronic devices, electrical appliances, and all. So, and it's also used as a method of like coating things with other metals to stop the metal parts from rusting. So yeah, so that's just about it for this video, um, and yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.